Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Civic radio error code. First, you'll need to locate your radio's unique serial number. This number is crucial for retrieving the anti-theft code, which is required to unlock your radio. Once you have both, entering the code correctly will restore full functionality to your audio system. It's a straightforward process that can save you a trip to the dealership. To find your radio's serial number directly from the unit, simply press and hold down the radio preset buttons labeled 1 and 6 simultaneously. While holding them, turn your ignition key to the accessory position. The serial number, which is usually 8 digits long, will then appear on your radio's display screen. Make sure to write it down accurately for the next step. Once you have your serial number, it's time to get the anti-theft code. Often, this code is on a sticker inside your glove box or in your owner's manual. If not, you can visit the official Honda owner's website and enter your vehicle information. Alternatively, a Honda dealership can provide the code if you give them your vehicle's VIN and the radio serial number. With your anti-theft code in hand, you can now unlock your radio. Use the radio preset buttons, numbered 1 through 6, to input each digit of your code. For example, if your code is 52,314, you would press button 5, then 2, and so on. After entering all digits, press the power or tune button to confirm. Your radio should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.